Top 6 Best Morning Drinks Diabetics Should Drink. Lower blood sugar. Water is the ultimate drink. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. But let's face it, sometimes you crave something more exciting. What if I told you there are drinks just as diabetes-friendly that can actually help lower your blood sugar? Managing diabetes doesn't mean your mornings have to be boring. While water is hands down the healthiest choice, there are other drinks that not only taste amazing, but also support your blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple, delicious drinks that are perfect for starting your day on the right foot. Stick around to discover the top 6 best morning drinks for diabetics. Let's jump in. Chocolate milk. Let's talk about a drink that might surprise you. Chocolate milk. Yes, you heard that right. This childhood favorite isn't just for kids, it can actually be a smart choice for adults with diabetes, if you make it the right way. Here's the deal. Store-bought chocolate milk can be loaded with sugar, which is the last thing you want if you're trying to keep your blood sugar in check. A single cup of regular, reduced-fat chocolate milk from the store can pack in over 24 grams of sugar. That's nearly as much as a can of soda, but don't write it off just yet. When prepared correctly, chocolate milk can be a satisfying and diabetes-friendly drink, especially after a workout. Why after a workout? Studies have shown that low-fat milk contains the perfect mix of protein and carbs to help your muscles recover. For diabetics, this is especially important because maintaining muscle health plays a role in improving insulin sensitivity. Plus, milk is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone health, a common concern for those managing diabetes. But how do you enjoy chocolate milk without the sugar overload? It's simple. Make it at home. Start with 1% milk or a plant-based alternative like unsweetened almond or soy milk. Add 3 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This gives you the chocolatey taste without the added sugar. Then sweeten it with 2 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. Mix it up and you've got a delicious drink that saves you 70 calories, 16 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fat compared to the store-bought version. Homemade chocolate milk isn't just healthier, it's also customizable. Want an extra boost? Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon doesn't just enhance the flavor, it's also been linked to better blood sugar control in some studies. So if you're craving something sweet in the morning or need a post-workout pick-me-up, chocolate milk can be your go-to drink. Just remember, the key is making it yourself and keeping the ingredients simple and diabetes-friendly. 2. Sweet tea. Sweet tea is a classic, isn't it? It's the kind of drink that feels like a treat, especially on a warm morning. But if you're managing diabetes, you might be surprised to learn that a typical 16-ounce fast food version can have up to 36 grams of carbs. That's a lot of sugar, and it can cause a blood sugar spike. But don't worry, you don't have to give up sweet tea altogether. The good news is you can still enjoy it without the added sugar and carbs. The trick is to make it at home where you can control exactly what goes in it. Start with your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal, and steep it as usual. But here's the twist. Add some crushed fruit for flavor. Raspberries are an excellent choice because they're low in sugar and high in fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar stable. You can also try other fruits like strawberries or even a slice of lemon for some extra zing. Once the tea has steeped and the fruit has infused its flavor, strain out the fruit, chill it, and you're almost done. Now, for the sweetener. Instead of regular sugar, choose a no-calorie sugar substitute. Options like stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol won't raise your blood sugar and will still give you that sweet taste. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking, but the best part is you won't have to deal with the sugar crash that follows. Making sweet tea at home isn't just a healthier choice, it's also incredibly simple. The fruit adds natural sweetness and extra nutrients, while the no-calorie sweetener keeps your blood sugar in check. Studies have shown that switching from sugary drinks to homemade versions with low-calorie sweeteners can help reduce blood sugar spikes and improve overall diabetes management. And let's face it, we all need a refreshing drink to look forward to in the morning. So next time you're craving sweet tea, skip the fast food version and make it yourself. It's just as delicious and way better for your blood sugar. Stay tuned. There are more great drink options coming up. 3. Chai latte. If you've ever sipped on a chai latte, you know it's a perfect blend of sweet, spicy, and creamy goodness. The warm spices like cinnamon and cardamom make it comforting, while the creaminess of the milk gives it that rich texture. But here's the thing. While it's delicious, the typical chai latte from your favorite coffee shop can pack a whopping 33 grams of carbs in just one serving. That's a lot of sugar, and if you're managing diabetes, it can send your blood sugar levels soaring. But don't worry, you don't have to miss out on this tasty treat. You can make a diabetes-friendly chai latte at home that's just as satisfying, but with a fraction of the carbs. Here's how. Start by steeping 1 or 2 chai tea bags in a cup of unsweetened almond milk or soy milk. These milk alternatives are low in carbs and won't spike your blood sugar like regular milk or sugary coffeehouse lattes. Next, add some extra flavor by sprinkling in cinnamon and a dash of black pepper. These spices don't just taste amazing, they also have health benefits. Cinnamon, for example, has been shown in studies to help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Black pepper adds a little kick to your drink, and it's also known to help improve digestion. Now, here's the best part. This homemade chai latte has less than 1 gram of carbs. Yes, you read that right. Less than 1 gram. It's the perfect way to enjoy the flavors you love without the sugar overload. Plus, you can adjust the sweetness by adding a no-calorie sweetener like stevia or monk fruit, so you get that perfect balance of sweet and spicy. Making your own chai latte at home isn't just healthier. It's also easy and budget-friendly. Plus, it's a great way to stay in control of what goes into your body, ensuring that you're not overloading on sugar or carbs. Studies have shown that reducing sugar intake, especially in the morning, can help prevent blood sugar spikes throughout the day. So, if you're craving a warm, comforting drink in the morning, try this homemade chai latte. It's a perfect way to start your day on the right note, with all the flavors you love and none of the sugar that could harm your health. And the best part? It's good for your blood sugar, too. Stick around. There's more delicious and diabetes-friendly drink ideas coming your way. 4. Apple cider vinegar. There's something about a hot cup of apple cider that feels so comforting, especially when the weather starts to cool down and the leaves turn those beautiful shades of red and gold. It's warm, fragrant, and brings a sense of coziness to your morning. But here's the thing. While it may taste fresh and homemade, traditional apple cider can be loaded with sugar and carbs. In fact, a typical cup of apple cider can have 26 grams of carbs, which is just as much as regular apple juice. Now, if you're managing diabetes, you know how important it is to watch your carb intake, especially in the morning. A sugar-heavy drink can cause your blood sugar to spike, and that's the last thing you want. But don't worry, you don't have to give up your favorite autumn drink. There's a simple way to enjoy the taste of apple cider without the sugar overload. The trick is to swap out regular apple cider for a light apple juice cocktail. These versions cut the carbs and calories in half, so you can still enjoy that warm, fruity flavor without worrying about a sugar spike. The best part? You can still add a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg for that signature fall taste, and you won't miss the extra sweetness. Making this small switch is a great way to enjoy the flavors of the season while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Studies have shown that reducing sugary drinks, especially those high in carbs, can help prevent blood sugar spikes and improve overall diabetes management. By choosing lighter options, like a low-carb apple juice cocktail, you're giving your body the nourishment it needs without the extra sugar. So next time you're craving a warm cup of apple cider, remember, you don't have to sacrifice flavor for health. Opt for a light apple juice cocktail and enjoy all the cozy vibes with none of the sugar worries. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Stick around because we've got even more diabetes-friendly drink ideas coming up that will help you lower your blood sugar and feel your best. 5. Fruit smoothie. Let's talk about fruit smoothies. They might seem like a healthy choice, but here's the truth. Store-bought smoothies are often packed with sugar and carbs. For example, a 12-ounce mango smoothie from a popular chain can contain up to 58.5 grams of carbs. That's the same as eating an apple and a sandwich all in one drink. This can cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar, which is definitely something we want to avoid if you have diabetes. But don't worry, There's a much healthier option that you can make right at home. Try a homemade berry smoothie. All you need is half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, and a small banana. Blend it all together with some ice and you've got yourself a delicious, refreshing drink that has half the carbs of those store-bought smoothies. Not only will this berry smoothie help you keep your blood sugar in check, but it's also packed with antioxidants from the berries, which are great for your overall health. Plus, the natural sugars in the fruit are balanced out with fiber, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Bananas add a creamy texture, and the whole smoothie is rich in vitamins and minerals that support your body. This smoothie is a great way to start your day, providing you with energy and nutrients without all the unnecessary sugar. So if you're craving a smoothie, skip the store-bought options and blend up a homemade one instead. It's a small change that makes a big difference in managing your blood sugar and staying on track with your diabetes health. Remember, making your own smoothies gives you full control over the ingredients, so you can enjoy a tasty treat without worrying about hidden sugars and carbs. Enjoy this refreshing option as a healthy morning drink that keeps you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. 6. Café Mocha. If you love the combination of chocolate and coffee, you're not alone. The bittersweet flavor of a Café Mocha is a favorite for many. However, many coffeehouse versions of this drink can be loaded with over 300 calories and 40 grams of carbs, which is a lot of sugar and can cause a spike in blood sugar. So if you're managing diabetes, that's definitely not the best choice. But here's the good news. You can make your own diabetes-friendly mocha at home that still satisfies your cravings without all the extra sugar and carbs. Here's how. Brew 1 cup of coffee, then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of low-fat milk, and a little bit of your favorite zero-calorie sweetener. This simple swap will save you more than 300 calories, 40 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of fat, and you still get that rich, delicious mocha taste. Not only is this version much healthier, but it also gives you the benefits of coffee's antioxidants, which can help improve blood sugar control and boost your energy without the sugar crash. Plus, cocoa has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve heart health, which is crucial for people with diabetes. By making this simple change, you can enjoy your favorite morning drink without worrying about the negative effects on your blood sugar. This homemade mocha is a great way to start your day, giving you that comforting chocolate coffee flavor while keeping your health on track. So next time you're craving a Café Mocha, skip the store-bought version and whip up this healthier homemade option. It's a small change that can make a big difference in managing your blood sugar levels and keeping your body feeling good all day long. So there you have it. 6 of the best morning drinks that are not only delicious, but also help you manage your blood sugar levels. Whether it's a refreshing glass of water, a smooth chai latte, or a homemade Café Mocha, these drinks are all perfect for diabetics who want to start their day on the right note. Remember, it's all about making small, healthier choices that add up to big changes over time. Don't forget, what you drink can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day and in managing your diabetes. So try out these drinks and see how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below to let us know which drink you're excited to try first. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more tips and tricks for managing your health. And be sure to check out our other videos on diabetes-friendly tips to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.